Hi, and happy holidays. I'm Chelsea, museum educator for the Watka Museum. For today's Follow La 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 Along from Home activity, we are going to be making a sock snowman. Let's get started. The first thing we'll do is we will fill the bottom portion of our sock with our beans. So I've got about a fourth of the sock filled up with beans, and that just lets the body sit straight up. I'm going to use a little stuffing to shape that bottom portion of the sock person a little bit. And I do that by just kind of stuffing it and using my fingers to shape as well. When you do this, you want to keep in mind that you still have a head portion, and you'll need part of the top to flip over and create the beanie. So you don't want your body to be too big. Another thing I should mention is that depending on the size of your sock, you might need more beans or more stuffing. You might have a bigger sock and a bigger snow person, or a smaller one as well. So I like this shape here, so when we're done with our body, we will use one of our rubber bands to fasten that portion. Now that the body portion is all set, we will focus on stuffing our head portion of the snow person. Once your head is done and shaped, you will use your second rubber band to fasten that section off. Now what we want to do is we want to flip over our top of the sock to form the beanie. And I'm noticing here I might need a little bit more stuffing to give the head some shape, so I'm going to go ahead and add some more. Just going to remove that last rubber band. Okay, I'm just fixing my beanie again. And now we have our shape and form for our sock snow person. The only thing left to do is add the features that we want to add with our decorations. So first I will use some glue to add on some googly eyes. I accidentally added a smaller eye than the first one, but I kind of think that makes it a little quirky, so I'm going to keep it. Next, I'm going to add my scarf, and I'm going to just glue it on. You could also tie your scarf on, whichever works better for you. Now I will add some buttons down the body. This is a part where you just get to have fun and be really creative with your sock person. There is no limit to what you can do. Now I'm going to come in and add some finishing touches with some markers. And this is going to be it for my sock snow person. You can add as many decorations and features as you want to your project. This is just supposed to be fun and creative activity you can do. So there's really no limits. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoy crafting your sock snow people.